Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best HP 45 ink is probably one of the most reliable printing solutions for both home and office use. This cartridge is known for delivering sharp, clear text and graphics, making it ideal for documents, reports, and everyday printing needs. Whether you're printing important documents or creative projects, the HP 45 ink cartridge consistently provides high-quality results, ensuring your prints always look their best. Number 5. HP 45 Black Ink Cartridge, 51645A. This is the HP 45 Black Ink Cartridge, designed for a variety of HP printers. It's a reliable choice for consistent, high-quality prints. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet, DesignJet, and OfficeJet models. It also works with PhotoSmart, Color Copier, and Fax Series printers. HP ink is engineered to work seamlessly with HP printers. This ensures consistent quality, reliability, and great value for your printing needs. Get approximately 930 pages from this cartridge. It's a great choice for both home and office use, providing excellent value. This cartridge is made with recycled content. By choosing this cartridge, you're making a more sustainable choice for your printing needs. What we like. This HP ink is engineered for consistent quality. It ensures reliable performance with every print. If you need professional-looking documents or photos, this is a great choice. What people say. Original HP works. Not always true for remanufactured. Will not EXP for over a year and works good. Works perfectly. Number 4. LD HP 45 ink cartridge replacements, Black 2-pack. Are you looking for a reliable and affordable ink cartridge replacement? This product is a great choice. It's designed to work seamlessly with your HP printers. This ink cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP PhotoSmart, DesignJet, Fax, OfficeJet, and DeskJet printers. You can check the full list to see if it fits your printer model. The package includes 2 black ink cartridges. Each cartridge can print up to 1,100 pages, based on 5% coverage. This replacement ink cartridge delivers high-quality prints every time. It ensures crisp text and vibrant images, making it perfect for both home and office use. These cartridges are manufactured by LD Products. They offer a cost-effective alternative without compromising on quality. Choose this product for a smooth and efficient printing experience. What we like. This product offers a high page yield. It is also compatible with a wide range of printers. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is the one for you. What people say. Ink cartridges are hard to find for a BP882C, but Amazon came through. Installed easily and prints like new. These ink cartridges worked great. No problems. First one went in, fired right up and printed as it should. No problems at all. Number 3. GREENBOX 4578 ink cartridges for HP printers. Introducing the GREENBOX Remanufactured ink cartridges. This is a great replacement for your HP printer's ink cartridges. It provides high-quality printing results. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including Color Copier, DeskJet, OfficeJet, and PhotoSmart models. You can easily find the right fit for your printer. Each package includes 2 ink cartridges, 1 black and 1 tricolor. It's everything you need to get started with your printing needs. The black cartridge can print up to 930 pages, while the color cartridge yields up to 590 pages. This ensures you can print more without frequent replacements. The high-quality ink delivers clear text and vibrant graphics. It helps you achieve the color effects you desire on paper. What we like. This product includes both black and color cartridges. It provides clear text and graphics. If you like to print both documents and color photos, this is a good choice. What people say. Quality product. They fit in perfectly to the printer and printed nicely. Just installed black and color cartridges last night, ran the test print, no problems. Number 2. GREENBOX HP 45 Black Ink Cartridge Replacement. Looking for a reliable ink cartridge? This is a remanufactured GREENBOX 45 Black Ink Cartridge. It's a great replacement option. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including color copier, DeskJet, fax, OfficeJet, and PhotoSmart models. Check the list to see if it fits your printer. You'll receive a 2-pack of remanufactured HP 45 Black Ink cartridges. Each cartridge provides high-yield printing. Each Black Ink cartridge can print up to 930 pages. It offers a high print volume, making your printing life easy. GREENBOX provides high-quality remanufactured ink cartridges. This cartridge is designed to deliver excellent print results. What we like. This cartridge offers a high page yield. It is also easy to install. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use option, consider this one. What people say. The ink cartridge is easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The ink lasts a long time. Number 1. Remanufactured HP 45XL Black Ink Cartridge. Are you tired of constantly replacing your ink cartridges? This high-yield replacement is designed to last longer, saving you time and money. It's the perfect solution for your printing needs. This ink cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and PhotoSmart printers. It works seamlessly with your existing printer, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Check the list to see if it fits your printer. From the DeskJet series to the PhotoSmart series, this cartridge is designed to fit many models. It ensures you get the best print quality without any compatibility issues. It's a reliable choice for various printing tasks. Installing this cartridge is simple and straightforward. It delivers consistent, high-quality prints every time. You can rely on it for all your printing needs. Each package contains one Black Ink cartridge. It's a cost-effective solution for your printing needs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This product is a high-yield remanufactured cartridge. It is compatible with a wide range of printers. If you are looking for a cost-effective and reliable option, this is the one for you. What people say. The HP 45 cartridge is a bit unique in the HP range, in that they don't use a sponge, but have a large internal bladder. Function-wise, they work fine, no issues with print quality. Fits my HP printer, which is 20 years old, just perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.